Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com on August 19th. That's a Monday. And I want to talk about Green Mountain Coffee Roasters here. This is a company with 38%, almost 40% of the float in the hands of short sellers. They borrowed the stock, sold it, hoping to buy it back lower, and that's probably not going to happen. Last week it was announced that Green Mountain Coffee Roasters would join the Nasdaq 100. It would be a component of the Nasdaq 100, and that is going to actually be in effect this coming Thursday. Now, don't think like, oh, okay, well then on Thursday this is going to have a big pop. That's not the case. This will have already been happening. As far as funds that track the Nasdaq 100, they'll have already been accumulating this. But keep in mind, this is some pretty formidable resistance here. If Green Mountain starts trading, say, above 80 bucks, which it was trading above that level earlier today, if it closes above that level, I'm looking at this as a probable breakout and would see the stock move a lot higher. Look, the market is definitely in or close to correction mode. There's a lot of stocks that look really, really ugly. This is not one of them. And I think a lot of that is because of the high short interest. You've got like this natural floor under the stock where any kind of pullback, you're getting folks who want to buy the stock so they can close their shorts out. So I think you got to just stay long this stock, be patient, look at this uptrend. The stock's gone up since bottoming out in the middle of last year. It's not up quite to a new high, but we're not really thinking about that right now. All we're thinking about is this sideways consolidation. Let the stock do what it's going to do. But if it starts trading above 80 bucks, you probably be a little bit early because the real high back here is 82 or so. But I would say if the stock starts closing above 80 bucks, go ahead and buy this stock because my bet is that it'll continue to run. Okay, that's it for today. Look, if you haven't tried it already, I want to encourage you to try Stock Market Mentor. It's a 30-day risk-free trial. Hey, if you don't like it, you go ahead and cancel. My bet is you're going to like it and you're going to stick around. Okay, members, get over to the strategy session. I have a lot of things to say about how weak this market is, but we're going to get set up for where money's going next. Okay, so get over there now.